introduce myself. My name is Raihanny and Slasita. I'm from class 1LB. Today, I will tell you how to measure battery voltage on a multimeter, tools, multimeter analog, and battery 1.5 volt. Let's get started.
Okay, so guys, before started, we have to prepare two tools. This is multimeter analog. And then probe positive and negative or red or and black. And the last battery 1.5 volt battery 3A. Okay. Firstly, make sure the needle is at 0. Find 0. Secondly, ensure the read probe is connected to the positive terminal of the meter and other probes. Okay, probe positive it's red and probes negative is black. Thirdly, select DC volt and the 2.5 or 10 volt range or whatever your meter has. Now I use the scale 10 first. Then stick the black probe to the negative pole of the battery and the red probe to the positive pole of the battery. Okay, so this is red probe to positive and black probe to negative battery. If the meter read correctly, go to the next step and then do the same thing on a different scale. You can use scale 10 or 2.5 or 0.5. And the last step, calculate the measurement result manually. Okay. The photo beside this is the result of measuring battery voltage with a 10 volt scale multimeter. Zero through 7.5 lines. And for the voltage of one line is 2 divided by 10 equal 0.2 volt and so 7.5 times 0.2 equal 1.5 volt, and so the voltage on the battery is 1.5 volt.
So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you guys. Bye.